This is Casa del Perdon in Comares, for sale with a license to restore it completely. It's a few minutes walk from the centre, down there, or behind me towards a big car park area, which is just past this little square. The house is completely detached, and I will show you around. First of all, let's look inside, bearing in mind that this house is to restore, so it's not habitable at the moment. It has some original flooring which is very beautiful, which could be kept. The ceilings are quite low, but I think the plan is to raise them. At the moment there's a door through here to another room here. Through the thick walls to what was once a kitchen. This door leads to a little mini patio which goes out to a bathroom, but it's very difficult to open the door, and it's all part of the Reformation project, so that would all change. At the moment we have these little stairs going up. To two rooms upstairs at the moment. This one, sloping roof. I think the idea is this would be a big bedroom with doors out to a huge terrace with amazing views. And then we have this room here. Now we'll head round and see the garden. At the moment, access via some little steps. It's very important to know that these steps are a public access for the town hall to reach some rocks, which we'll see in a minute. But nobody ever goes up there, and it would be really nice to make them beautiful. This is a side room, which you can't access at the moment from inside the house. And there's a little shed there, which also is part of the house. And the neighbour's house is here, completely separate behind the wall. It's very overgrown because we've had some rain, so it's difficult to see the land. So there's a little shed which you can just peek inside with the camera and see that there's not much of it at the moment. And you can see into this little side room through here. And then those are the little steps that got to the rocks, which we'll look at in a minute. This is the little garden. It's got big rocks which could make a nice feature. And as you can see, it's a bit overgrown at the moment. We've tried to push down some of the undergrowth. This building here is a neighbour's building. And what I would do here is that I would just put up a screen at the back there and make this a nice private garden, sheltered from the winds, and then you wouldn't see that. You'd lose the view there, but you've got plenty of other views, and from the big terrace, which would be here, coming all the way out over this, you'd have magnificent views. This is an old ruin here, which could be made part of the garden, or could be made into a storeroom and levelled on top. And if I can look over the wall, we can see the door that goes in from the downstairs room to the little bathroom, which is very basic at the moment. And although from here there is a right of access for the town hall up these little steps here, they only come up very occasionally. In fact, they never come up. And it would be lovely to make this really beautiful, even though it doesn't belong to the house. Nobody else comes up here because look at what views it has here.